What's up, guys? It's your boy the Undisciplined Trader here, and today is the Wednesday, the 6th of October, right now 10 a.m. so you guys can see on the screen. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. As you can see, I've taken 4 losses today. So out of the last 6 days, I've taken 3 of those days have been just losses. So I really want to find out. I want to learn from these losses. So essentially, I'm gonna go through these 3 days, and I haven't had a look at it yet. So this is like, you guys are literally gonna see my thought process, and basically, we're gonna basically try to find out by reading price analysis why taking these losses. Is there some similarities? These trades could have done better. Was it the entry? Did I follow the plan? Essentially, that's what we're going to do today. And I think it's going to be really helpful for you guys, so you guys get an idea of what it's like, because you always want to keep evolving your plan. You always want to keep refining your plan. You want to make sure, obviously, you avoid as much losses as possible. So, so you guys know today we lost these 4 trades, and I feel fine. I feel calm, relaxed, and I know I'm going to learn something from these trades. I have no idea what yet. I'm gonna try to figure this out with you guys, and well, with you guys watching, and yeah, we're gonna go through it. And yeah, so let's start today. Today, the reason why I believe we lost today. So if we look, just purely looking at price action, look at price action, 15-minute. So I believe, so some of the trades around about here. So as you can see, 50-minute is bearish, 5 minutes clearly bearish. And we go to the 4-hour. 4-hour is bearish. So I went for a walk and I was thinking, okay, the trades I mainly win, I usually have a really good idea. Like the one from yesterday, I had a good idea here with a flip. I had a good trade idea in the higher time frames. But today I didn't. But I could see, for example, you can see it was clear that price most likely then no, it's gonna do this movement, because that's what price does in every time frame. It's either going like this or going like this. You know, you already know how it is. So the 4-hour sense, we're really going to change, like I said to you guys yesterday, if we're really going to change trend, it would be from that area where I entered yesterday, right? So after that broke, I should have really thought about, okay, what is price trying to do? What is the trend here? The 4-hour, we can clearly see that. The 15-minute, we can see that price is going like this. So we change trend here, change trend again here, and took my first entry. This here would have been fine. This entry here is fine. Once price broke here, you know that's gonna go on for a while because it's changing trend, and it's most likely going to come to this line down here. You know what I mean? So what I should have done is, I thought price would come here, 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 then down. Could have done that. It could have done that. It does that many times. There's nothing wrong with this kind of trade, but there was something wrong with this trade because price had already reacted from this 15-minute order block here. So it was a risky trade, but I decided to take it anyway. So it didn't go away, that one. So that trade, let's say that trade wasn't valid, because essentially my plan, I do have that. Don't trade the order blocks that have already been tapped. But I did it this time because sometimes they do work, and as you can see, price is in a bullish trend on the 15th. So I thought there is a chance, small chance, that price might do that, but it didn't. So my plan was correct once again. Anyway, price breaks this, right, on the 15 minutes. So we got a new breaker structure. Price is more than likely going to come down a little bit more before it pulls back to then go again. At some point it's going to have to pull back, right? But usually after a break, it goes on for a while. But then again, we don't know. We don't know how it could just go on for a little bit. It could just be a fake out and come back out. We don't know. So essentially, what I could see wrong today is basically just, if we look at momentum, in terms of momentum, price is pulling back. So it's not really a reason of momentum that we lost this trade. It's mainly just, I think it's just a reason of, I'd put it down to the 4 hour being the more dominant time frame, and we can see that, you know, once price, like I said, once price failed to break that high, instead it came down. It was a good indication the price will make the new lower low for the 4 hour. So I should have read it like that. Perhaps avoided these trades or taken lower time frame trade, short trade here, this one. Doing this. Do I get this back? Oh, fuck it. Okay, so essentially, could have taken a short trade here. Could have taken a short trade here. But that's something I'm gonna have to look at. So let me just get my sticky notes up and make some notes about this. Three-day losses. Feedback, I guess. Day 3. 4 hour bearish leg. Since so essentially it was kind of obvious that price would make a 4 hour low. Look at it in terms of higher time frame perspective, right? That's that for that day. Let's have a look at the other 2 days. So the other 2 days, I have no idea because I don't really. I have. It's a bit late. Okay, gonna break even because this one got online. This one's stupid. Okay, I remember this day. So if we look at it, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay. Essentially bearish trend. 15 minutes. This one. So we got 15 minutes. Okay. Look at the 4 hours. Sorry guys. Let me. So we can see. Okay, we can see this. Price is bearish. Very. See if the price to react. So okay. Dean. Okay, let's go closer. Have a. All the time frames are bearish, right? Apart from. Done. So even the 5 minute is bearish. So everything is bearish essentially. Okay, so everything is bearish. The first thing. So okay, I decide to take a short trade here. Okay, got the flip. Entered late. This was stupid, but just anyway. Again. Then there was new. I remember this. Instead of taking my trade off, I decided to. Well, I should have put a break even. Write that down. Day. What's the date here? Coming. even. That's one mistake. This one had a flip. I don't have anything. This one, but this one, this one's fucking stupid. Third, scan tree. Didn't. Okay, so that's that day. Not much in terms of higher time frame, you know, because there was nothing to tell me that price was going to. So let me have a look at the daily. Candle that price reacted from. So price just reacted from a candle, guys. Once again, this is interesting. You can see here what I did yesterday. Remember the flip? The other day I did the flip, the 4-hour flip. Yeah. This. We had that 4-hour flip that I said. Again. We had a flip, so okay, that's after that trade happened. Okay. Okay, so looking at this from a 15-minute perspective. Okay, we're now heavily bullish. 15 minutes. So if we look at the 4-hour, if we're bullish like that, essentially 4-hour, look for something like this. Clearly. 15-minute, look for something. Push. Okay, fair enough. Let's see what happens. Essentially, price did actually change trend on the 50-minute. This could be possible too. It's fine. So 15-minute bearish. Everything bearish at this point. Let's have a look at these entries and how it's got there. Have a look at the 15-minute. Price got there too quick. So that's one thing. Day 2. What's the day here? October. Price got too quickly. 15-minute candle. About 6 candle. 15-minute candle. Should sit for 0.25%. Heavy. Okay. So heavy, but as you can see here, guys, as price is approaching this order block, when price gets there too quick, extra confidence, price will change trend. Else it most likely won't, as you can see. So that is on my plan. I just didn't take that into consideration, or I should have managed it more aggressively in this case. See, we entered there, good entry, had all the reasons to enter. Soak the sieve. Okay, so let's blow another entry. It's fine. We got tagged out here. Entered it again. Again, should have managed it aggressively. These are trades I could have easily put to break even, guys. Could have put it to break even. This one could have put this one to break even. This one got lucky, tagged out. Okay. Again. Flip entry. Oh, what happened here? I think I got tagged out about here. I think this one I got tagged out, even though yeah, that was really unlucky. This one. Oh yeah, I remember this day. This day. So here, let's have a look at the 15. So this one again, just one big candle. Price got there too quick, you know. That happens. I need to only risk 0.25%. Managed to trade aggressively, and basically that's that really. Look, we obviously were against the momentum, so it was very strong. So question now is, how would I read the momentum? Yeah, I can read the momentum in 15 minutes. If I see all these candles, I enter if I was going to here. Event this one I would go long. So then again, I break one rule, which is like can't trade towards a mitigated 15-minute. So I'm gonna figure that out in that sense. Gonna have to figure that out. Write that down. Thing. Yeah. So let me share my notes with you guys and get an idea. Came up with. Essentially, this one's 3-day losses, feedback analysis, day 3. So for our bearish leg would fall since price failed to make a new high after the flip. Obvious that price will make a new. They have one incoming news while winning trade. Didn't put stop loss even. Said the 5-minute risk entry didn't wait. Okay. The other day, just that one here. Price got to the 15-minute will be too quickly. About 5 to 6 bullish 15-minute candles. I should have waited for a minute and be a mess or risk 0.25 trade. Managing it aggressively. There we go. I'm gonna have a look at this and basically make these changes to my plan. Make some little notes to my plan. And the second thing I'm gonna do is look at how I can trade, how I can see the momentum of price and how I can trade it, how I can trade with that momentum just before it reaches the 15-minute OP. So for example, let's say it doesn't, like for example this one from today, I meant to actually caught the trade, which was really good. This one. So past this will be, we know price is most likely gonna come to this one. Can easy this targeting, that will be there. Can easily do that. Because as you can see, there's a lot of momentum, but the question is, how am I gonna read that in that sense? So I'm gonna look through that and look, it's gonna be quite hard work actually. Yeah. But I think I have a good way of doing it. So I'll find a way and practice it, and then, you know, start implementing that to my trades, because that will give me a really good dynamic of trading, I think, because that way I will be able to trade not only when price reaches these order blocks, but when price is moving these order blocks. That's gonna be quite interesting. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you guys got an idea of how to improve your plan, how to, you know, analyze and learn from your losses, because that's essentially it. You know, every loss, every days of losers, I try to learn from it and improve my plan. And this is what is so great about this strategy, because you risk so little. Like, I've taken so many losses and I'm only on minus 0.8%. You know what I mean? So, you know, there was 2 trades that I didn't follow my plan. Certain little things here that I could have done better, and I will do it better because I want to avoid days like these as much as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys take something from it. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. If you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.